Alright, so this is the Rexford Massless, Mini Massless. You can see it's got the Theta Sheath system. This is the attachment that came with it. It's kind of like a tech lock. It's just skinny. I haven't had a chance to really put on the belt and try drawing on the waist, but it's pretty cool. I have this shifted to left hand, so you can see the little trigger here. It pops right out. Little holes on either side. That's where the cam goes in, and to sheath it, it's just slid in here, lining up, and then just clicks right in. It's pretty good. With practice, it gets better. I'm getting better with it. And then yeah, these three attachments are your standard distances for most of your sheath systems, so you could have it up or down between these two. I'm probably going to try switching it to multi-clip of some kind, but I don't have one with me right now, so I'll have to wait a couple weeks. I don't know, looking forward to trying it out. Obviously, with the track system, it's bound to get gunk or dirt and grime in there, so I don't think this is the best sheath system for doing really outdoorsy things or a lot of grungy things, but for just EDC purposes, I think it's actually not bad. We'll see.